In this video, I'm going to show you how to manage product reviews. So first, I'm just going to navigate over to our website by clicking on View Your Website on the top left-hand side. And I'm just going to add a catalog quickly to the home page of my website. So I'm just going to add an empty block, delete this, and add a catalog. So just searching for the catalog module and putting that there. All right, so now if I go into preview mode and I want to see the details of my dog biscuits, I can leave a review, but I need to enable reviews from the product side. So we're going to just publish our changes, and then I'm going to navigate back to my products, and it's brought me here to my dog biscuit section, and I'm going to make sure that reviews are enabled. All right, so now that we've enabled reviews, we're going to go ahead and purchase this product as a user in the system. So I'm just going to navigate over to the live version of my site. All right, and then I'm going to go ahead and purchase my dog biscuits. As you can see, they're very heavily discounted. So we're going to buy that now. And then I'm going to put in my details. So let's just say it's betty@demo.com. And we're just going to use the simple shipping method, Betty White. No, it's not Nettie, it's Betty. Betty White, and we're just going to put in all of her information. Very detailed information going in here. And we're going to place that order. So now that she has placed that order, we can go ahead and review that product. So if I click on this product, I can go ahead and leave a review. So I'm going to click add a review, and we're going to say betty@demo.com. And we're going to say, let's just give it 2 T's. There we go. We can go ahead and say, wow, what fantastic biscuits. I can't stop buying them. And then we can go ahead and submit our review. Your users can also choose to make this an anonymous review, in which case their details will be left out. But let's go ahead and add that review. And now we can navigate back to the admin area. And here in our product section, we're going to click on reviews. You'll see that we've got our review here and we have the status as being pending. We can click into this review and choose if we want to approve or reject it. So that's a great review, so I'm going to go ahead and approve it. So now when I navigate over to the product section again and I refresh the page, you'll see that that review shows up there. So that is how you can enable and manage and moderate those product reviews. In the next video, I'm going to show you how to set up surcharges for products. I'll see you there.